Hello everybody, I'm from Zone here, and today basically, something I received something in the mail. So this basically was my grandmother for Christmas. My mom ordered it, so I saw my grandmother yesterday. But however, this is what the other thing she got me. She just gave me $100 bill with a really cool card. Um, basically, but this is the other thing she got me for Christmas. So basically, I found it, and then basically my mom ordered it because my grandmother didn't have an eBay account. So basically, yeah. We were worried it didn't arrive in time person, but it actually did, but we didn't know. So yeah, it arrived. I opened it here on the 26th. So oh well. Feel really bad though. Like some people didn't get it, and I'm not opening mine until like December 26th, thinking that oh well. But okay. You got one? Okay. Now there we go. There it is out of the box. One was the box with that little baggie. What was the baggie with the I'm gonna call it the package. To be honest, is this even fully open? No, it is not. Father, I think I have some scissors here, so let me get them out right now. Please have them. Don't tell me again. Oh well, I'll just get a pencil. Choking here. I'll use a clothes rack. Very, probably shouldn't do this, but you know what? Yeah, don't know. I'm not opening it. Yeah, with this is too hard. This is really hard. Guess I'll just have to rip the box open. Okay. Right now, sorry about that, guys. However, here, sorry about that. It's getting open right now. Very sorry, everyone. So, guess this unboxing like 30, I think. Don't know. Like so many boxings I just do. I mean, it's definitely not 30. It's more like 50 or 60 on this channel. To be honest, but like, I just felt like why not make it unboxing 30? Yeah. Boxing, I do not know how to count. Why not? Yeah, I don't know. I do know how to count, but to be honest, let's just make this a milestone boxing. Let's make this boxing number 50. But yeah, so we don't know how to count. So I guess we're rounding. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully we can open this up soon. Sorry everyone about that. So anyway, it's going to get opened soon. However, the reason why it's not opened up is because this tape. The base of our pens are very focused. It was just more. Here we go. Imagine just. It's out. It is out. After a bunch of wear and tearing, I finally got the thing out. Here it is. And make sure there's not a receipt that just pops up and just. Probably. I think that they do that now. Anyways. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I opened it through the wrong side. You have got to be kidding me. Actually, I think I could open it up through the side anyway. Here we go! 4 minutes into the video and we finally got this. This is cool. Now. Yes, this is sort of reading between the lines by Christopher Rogers. A very rare book. Not as rare as what's it called? Sort of People History and Railways, but which was the reason why Christopher Rogers actually made this because they never republished it, so you know what. And they didn't give him the rights to it. Emon. So we asked him kindly to republish it, and he did. So he just made a competition to it. So here's sort of reading between lines. Very interesting. Yeah, it just gives you questions. When? Oh, yeah, it's signed by Christopher Audrey, folks. There it is, signed by Christopher Audrey. Ducks. Look. So this is a. Ooh. Gives you a map of Sodar too. This looks to be printed out. Oh well. Maybe it is. I mean, it's definitely signed by him. Is it signed by him? Like, I want to double check. Like, to make sure. Like, it'll feel like pen. It will feel like pen. I'm worried the seller scammed me. I'm very worried. Oh well, I'll let you know in the description if like the seller scammed me. Why is Thomas blue? They give you. Diesel. They don't give you Thomas Evil Diesel. Fred. Fred, here's Fred. Fred is Hans Diesel. Basically, my first word for Frank. Toad, Isabel, Anna Jane, Mabel, Dulce, you know, all the coaches, Cora, Catherine. Not much is known really about Catherine, to be honest. It's a veteran car. Not much is known really about Cat. You can see all the. Hi. Shh. Yeah. Jim Cole. The Vicar of Wellsworth, the Refreshing Lady. Thin Clergyman, the Fat Clergyman. So yeah, that Thin Clergyman was the dad of this guy. My father personalized himself as a character, regarding himself. I'm gonna go over the full pages back. Yeah, really interesting. So, yeah, there's Sitter Enterprises. I really hope that this is actually real. Not printing out. Very hope so, but yeah, there it is. Yeah. So I don't want to get copyrighted for this. I just want to show you just some of the characters. Don't know if this is real again. That's real. Okay. That's good. Okay, that's good to know because I'm worried with this fake. Like, you know, they could just easily do that because I was worried about the printed poster. But you know what? It's real. I stretched a little part of the weave out. So yeah, there it's real. So yeah, really cool again. Probably reveal a lot of things. Just like sort of read between lines. Again, just very interesting. You know, not as good as like sort of people history really ever. Again, it's alright, and this is a pretty cool book. There's a side view. Don't think this has ever been shown on the internet ever. Nor the back view. I'm pretty sure this map has never been shown ever. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye for now.